Good morning, dear students. In last time we will discuss about the expression for the velocity, acceleration and the displacement in term of the displacement x when the particle performing the simple harmonic motion. So you know that the expression for the acceleration is what? Minus a equals to minus omega square x and v equals to plus minus omega root of a square minus x square, and x equals to, again we have the expression that is x equals to a sin omega t plus phi. Okay, you know these three expressions, that is the expression for acceleration, velocity and displacement. Now today we are going to discuss about the two particular cases related to this displacement x. So first case is what? That is the when the particle performing simple harmonic motion from which position? That is the mean position. Now suppose this is the rigid support, this is the simple pendulum, that is bob is attached to the one end of the string and other end is attached to this rigid support. So suppose this is at the mean position and these two are extreme position, which are the positive extreme position and again one is the negative extreme position. So what is the first case? That is we have to consider the mean position. So at mean position this bob is at the rest position, so here we get displacement x equals to 0 at the time again t equals to 0. So we have to consider the first case, that is at the mean position x equals to 0 and t equals to 0. So now we have equation what? X equals to a sin omega t plus phi. After substituting these two values here we get 0 equals to a sin 0 plus phi, that is 0 equals to we get a sin phi. So phi equals to what we get? Sin inverse 0 by a. That is, from that again we can write this 0 by a equals to sin phi and phi equals to sin inverse 0 by a. So sin inverse 0 by a, it means the sin inverse again 0. मग आता साइनच्या कुठल्या अँगलची व्हॅल्यू 0 आहे तर साइन 0 हा 0च आहे आणि साइन पाय सुद्धा काय आहे 0 आहे. Now we have to substitute this value of phi, that is 0 or pi, in equation this x equals to a sin omega t plus phi. So what will we get here now? Here we will get what? X equals to a sin omega t plus 0, that is omega t plus phi की वैल्यू कितनी है? 0. So it will be x equals to a sin omega t. But we will consider here plus minus. For what this plus minus? If particle starts motion towards this positive extreme position, then we consider this positive sign, and if particle starts motion towards this negative position, then we will consider this negative sign. So here we get x equals to plus minus a sin omega t. So this is our first case, that is at the mean position x equals to 0 and t equals to 0. So in this case we get x equals to plus minus a sin omega t. Now we have to consider another case, that is at the extreme position. So second case is what? Second case is the extreme position. So we have to consider at extreme position value of x and the time t equals to 0. Now which values we have to put here? Now consider these are the two extreme position at the positive, towards the positive position, and this is at the towards the negative position. So amplitude will be also positive or negative, it is depend upon this the extreme position. So here we consider x equals to plus minus a. Okay, and again we have to substitute this value in the expression for the displacement, that is x equals to a sine omega t plus phi. So x equals to what? That is plus minus a equals to a sine, again this will be omega t. If we replace this t by 0, then omega into 0, that is again the 0 plus phi. Then here we get, as a will be cancelled, this is the plus minus 1 equals to sine phi. So phi equals to, we get sine inverse 1. Then at what angle there will be the value of sine is 1, so that is the again odd multiple of the pi by 2, or we can say this is the phi equals to pi by 2 or again the 3 pi by 2. दोन्ही केसेस मध्ये आपण काय करतोय, पहिल्यांदा फाय ची व्हॅल्यू फाइंड आउट करतोय. हे कशासाठी आहे, सगळे x इक्वल्स टू प्लस मायनस a किंवा t इक्वल्स टू 0, तर हे कशासाठी, तर फक्त फाय ची व्हॅल्यू काढण्यासाठी. मग फाय ची व्हॅल्यू काढून झाल्यानंतर आपल्याला या इक्वेशन मध्ये त्याला सबस्टिट्यूट करून एक्सप्रेशन फॉर x फाइंड आउट करायचं आहे. दोन्ही केसेस मध्ये मीन पोझिशन आणि एक्स्ट्रीम पोझिशनला सुद्धा आपण हीच प्रोसेस अप्लाय करतो. तर आता आपल्याला दोन व्हॅल्यू मिळाल्या, फाय इक्वल्स टू पाय बाय 2 आणि फाय इक्वल्स टू 3 पाय बाय 2. आपल्याला ती फाय ची व्हॅल्यू इथे सबस्टिट्यूट करायची. तर इक्वेशन x काय मिळेल आपल्याला, x इक्वल्स टू a sin omega t plus pi by 2. Now this is the general formula, sin omega t plus pi by 2. Omega t is nothing but we can say that is theta. So sin pi by 2 plus theta equals to, that is the cos of theta. Okay, so here we can write x equals to a sin omega t plus pi by 2 is cos theta, so we can write a cos omega t. This is the expression for x if we consider the value that is the pi by 2, and if we will consider the value that is the 3 pi by 2. So this equation x equals to, we get a sin omega t plus 3 pi by 2. Now if this is the odd multiple here, then 3 pi by 2 plus theta, so this formula will be minus cos of theta. So here we get expression that is minus a cos omega t. Here we get that is positive cos omega t, and here we get the negative cos omega t. So from these two equations we write in general, that is x equals to plus minus a cos of omega t. This is the expression for the displacement of a particle performing simple harmonic motion. Okay, for the condition what, for the extreme position. This again plus or minus sign is for what, if the particle start motion from this positive extreme position, we will consider the positive sign, and if particles start motion from this negative extreme position, then we consider the negative sign. So we have the two particular cases, that is the positive that is for the mean position and for the extreme position. So these are two equations we have to discuss today. Hope you understood this very well. Thank you. We will meet again next time.